Hello, I'm Vilsha Jerchini. My project is KANBANNEXUS, the central hub for task management and team chat. Indium Software is the company where I'm currently doing my internship. So, abstract of my project. Uh, in KANBANNEXUS, we can see two collaborative platform. One is task management and another one is real-time communication. So, in task management, we can assign task, Kanban board, and the calendars are available. In real-time communication, we can create channel and communicate with the teammates. So this my main motto of the project is for agile DevOps and remote teams because they are frequently work their modules and frequently test their modules. So it's very useful for them. And my project is also comes under SaaS solution because you can deploy it in a local host also. So it comes under software as a service. System study. In system study, first we'll see about existing system. In task management, Jira, Trello, Asana are the existing system, and for real-time communication, Slack, Teams, Discord are the existing system. In Asana, we can create a task, and it can also notify with the help of Discord that the module is completed. But the main issue we are facing here is we can't see if the bug raises. When the module completed only, we will message will deliver. First, but for the bug raises, the Kanban Nexus is very useful. So, in problem with the existing tools, we can't say problem. These are the limitations we can see. So, too many tools. Um, we want to switch for task where assigning task. We want to switch to example Jira, and for assigning that we are assigned the task, we want to switch to Teams. So, overcome this, the Kanban access is used, and there will be high cost for some premium users. There will be high cost and the update for each two application will have two different types of updates, so it will it is waste of time. So sometimes the Jira is some complex, so teams have some updation means it will take time to understand. So task, the main issue is the task tracking. In Kanban access we can see what the stages of task, and we can easily communicate with the tester or a developer that the task is pending or to do. But in other existing system, we can't track the task. We want to switch to many tools and inform them. So the main motto is all in one platform. So the task management and the communication will be in single application, so it will be easy and efficient way for task to maintain it, and there will be instant collaboration if there is any queries raised or any bending or a new task is assigned. So the interface is very user friendly, so it's easy to access. So as I already mentioned, the extra here is the better task visibility. So the task visibility of our project is very easy to see, and it's easy to track the time also when the due date and when it get assigned. So this is my system specification in hardware software. So in front end I use React JS. So Net.js is used for routing purpose, and Honor.js is my backend, and database is PostgreSQL. Workflow of Kanban access. So the Kanban access is inside the Kanban access there will be a task management and real-time communication. So in task management real-time both have user authentication. So in organizations they have their own credential. If it for tester, for developer, designer, and more roles are there. So each they have their own user authentication. Using that credential, they will log in, and there will be workspace. In task management workspace, we can see Kanban board and where the task is assigned, which will call table, and the calendar where they will assign the due dates and the when will should it complete likewise. And in messaging module, if there will be a channel where we can create instantly, and the employees will get added who are come under that channel, or we can see under that project module they will added, and using that they will communicate and do their tasks. So this is the database diagram. So here, as I mentioned, the developer and tester have their own credential. So the project has also have ID, name, description, and creator at what. So who we are assigned, that also be stored in database. In message, the initial stage where the developer assign the task in the Jira, or the tester assign the task in the Jira. Sorry, that's not Jira. Jira's existing system in task management, and the database for that message will be uh, recorded in the database. Module design, so user management, task management, real-time communication, integration, and deployment. So in user management, the user authentication and the credential will be passed down by JWT method, JSON Web Token. In task management, the task table will be there, and the Kanban board will be there, and the calendar also present. In real-time communication, we can see easily create channels for the each project and modules, and there we can using threads, we can message them fastly, and WebSocket is used, so the message will be updated very fastly. So in integration deployment, we will integrate the both module as a single application. So this is the computer modules for real-time communications. This is the user credential where the user, so the employees will be login. So in real-time communication, this is the dashboard. In dashboard, we can create a channel like user 599. So that's the channel. Under that user story, the particular developer or tester will be present. Uh, it also has a you can also change or modify, edit the user story or the channel name. You can edit the user story. You can edit the channel name. So using this link, the person can be invited. So these are the members present in that user story module. So they will chat with each other to this. So using threads, so it will be easy. If two members, there will be no problem. If two and more member will mean, so there will be so much problem in communication. So using threads, we can communicate for that person at a time. So this is the task management where here the table, here we can assign the task. So the assigned task will be have who they assigned to and what project it comes under, and the due date, and what's the status also we will see here. And this is the Kanban board where they will see to do what in progress that are. So in task management module, this is the calendar where they will be see what's in it due to, what's in deadline, and that all. So this is how we create a task. So the task first we will be initiate the task name and what's the due date of the task and whom they are assigned to, and the status, we can, the status will be to do, pending, or success will be. So on the project, because web application, mobile application, so much project according to that they will specify, and the task get created, and the created task will be in the table. After that, the developer or test user or tester will comes and uh, chat with their, so chat with their fellow mates. So here, after assigning the task, the channel, for example, the assigned task is sales login. So sales login channel will be created. So under sales login, there will be some of the members. So this member will communicate with each other, and they will do, if the tester developer is posting a task and the tester have a query in it, they will instantly communicate here, and the notification will go through them. uh, so after they notify notification, they will assign the set, the bug will be raised. So the bug raised will be raised, and the uh, bug will be they maintained by developer. After that bug clear, they will message here that bug was cleared. After that, the tester continue their work. This is how the Kanban Nexus work. um, Thank you.